Hello, friends. This is Professor Asma Parveen, Department of Psychology, Aligarh Muslim University. Thanks for joining this course on Fundamentals of Research. In this course, my goal is to make you learn about the theoretical knowledge of psychological research and how it can be applied in real life. The course is divided into 4 units, with each unit focusing on different subtopics. The first week of the course is dedicated to understanding the meaning, nature, and types of research. Throughout this course, you will learn about various research methods and techniques used in psychology, such as surveys, experiments, and observations. You will also explore ethical considerations in research and the importance of maintaining objectivity and validity in your studies. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in the fundamentals of psychological research. You will be able to critically analyze research studies, design your own experiments, and contribute to the advancement of psychological knowledge. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey into the world of psychological research. I will start with the meaning of research. Research is a fundamental process that involves seeking and searching for knowledge. The word itself originates from the French word rechercher, which means to seek or to search. According to Kurlinger, 1976, research is a systematic, controlled, empirical, and critical investigation of hypothetical propositions about the presumed relations among natural phenomena. According to Criswell, 2008, research is a process of steps used to collect and analyze information to increase our understanding of a topic or issue. The Merriam Webster Dictionary defines research as studious inquiry or examination, especially investigation or experimentation aimed at the discovery and interpretation of facts, revision of accepted theories or laws in the light of new facts, or practical applications of such new or revised theories or laws. Psychological research involves studying and analyzing the mind, actions, and habits of individuals. It is a complex science that aims to provide insights and explanations about human behavior. In modern times, psychologists are interested in understanding how and why our brains function in a certain way. They conduct studies to explore the connections between our thoughts, behaviors, surroundings, and the past experiences in order to better understand and potentially change behavior. These studies are known as psychological researches. In the context of psychology, research plays a crucial role in understanding human behavior and mental processes. It is a systematic and critical investigation that aims to collect and analyze information to gain insights into various psychological phenomena. Research not only helps us understand a particular topic or issue, but also allows us to build upon existing knowledge and discover new facts or revise existing theories. By employing different methods, research contributes to the expansion of our current understanding in the field of psychology. Research is a structured process that involves carefully investigating and gathering facts from various areas of knowledge. By collecting and analyzing this information, we can have a deeper understanding of a particular topic or issue. Research is a systematic and methodological approach that expands our knowledge and help us make informed decisions. According to psychologists, research is an honest and thorough search for facts and their meanings. It requires rational thinking, expert treatment, and the exploration of potential solutions. Research also emphasizes the impact of exactness, analysis, critical observation, and honesty. These qualities are essential for conducting effective research and ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the findings. Through research, we can uncover new insights and perspectives that may challenge existing beliefs or provide innovative solutions to complex problems. It allows us to delve deeper into a subject, exploring its intricacies and uncovering hidden connections. By engaging in research, we become active participants in the pursuit of knowledge, contributing to the collective understanding of the world around us. Research is not limited to a specific field or discipline. It can be applied to any area of study, from science and technology to social sciences and humanities. The process of research involves asking questions, formulating hypotheses, and designing experiments or investigations to test these hypotheses. It requires critical thinking, creativity, and ability to analyze and interpret the data. There are certain objectives of the research. Researchers have several objectives in mind when they are conducting a research. First objective is they aim to gain familiarity or develop a new understanding of a particular topic or phenomena. This means that they want to become knowledgeable about a specific topic or concept that may not be well understood yet. Second, researchers review and combine existing knowledge on a topic. They gather information from various sources and synthesize it to create a comprehensive overview of what is already known. Another objective of research is to investigate an existing situation or problem. Researchers delve into real world issues and examine them in detail to gain insights and potentially find solutions. In fact, providing solutions to problems is another important objective of research. Researchers strive to identify practical ways to address challenges and improve the current state of affairs. Furthermore, research aims to explore and analyze broader issues. It goes beyond just studying individual cases or situations and seeks to understand the larger context and implications. By doing so, researchers can uncover patterns, trends, and connections that may not be immediately apparent. Additionally, research endeavors to generate new knowledge through rigorous investigation and analysis. Researchers contribute to the body of knowledge in their own field by discovering new facts, theories, or perspectives. Lastly, research can involve constructing or creating new procedures or systems. This objective focuses on developing innovative methods or approaches that can enhance efficiency, effectiveness, or understanding in a particular area. Overall, research serves as a powerful tool for advancing knowledge and solving problems and providing solutions of different problems. By pursuing these objectives, researchers make valuable contributions to the society and pave the way for future discoveries and advancements. Now I will discuss characteristics of research. Research is, as we all know, is a crucial aspect of gathering knowledge and understanding the world around us. It is important to recognize the key characteristics of research, and there are various characteristics that I will discuss in this lecture. First characteristic of research is objectivity. Objectivity is the foundation of research. It ensures that research becomes free from biases, prejudices, and subjectivity. Researchers strive to eliminate personal influence and focus on testing hypotheses rather than proving them. This is achieved through standardized research instruments, selecting appropriate designs and analytical tools, and ensuring the reliability of data. To maintain objectivity throughout the research process, there are several approaches that can be followed. Firstly, researchers should keep detailed records of their observations and data analysis in a manner that can be understood and evaluated by others. Secondly, consistent procedures for data collection at all stages of the research should also be implemented. Furthermore, researchers must be aware of external influences, personal beliefs, observer perspectives, and human expectations that may distort the data, thus avoiding bias. By adhering to these characteristics and approaches, researchers can conduct reliable and trustworthy research. Objectivity allows for an unbiased exploration of the research question, enabling researchers to draw accurate conclusions based on data and logic. Another important characteristic of research is precision. It is a key element in scientific research as it allows researchers to clearly communicate the exact significance of their findings. To achieve precision in quantitative research, statistical methods and techniques are employed, including measures of central tendency, variability, correlation, and regression. These tools help ensure that the language used to describe the study is precise, enabling others to replicate the research or utilize the results accurately. By employing precise language, researchers can effectively convey the intricacies of their study, facilitating a deeper understanding and application of the work. Another important characteristic of research is design. When conducting scientific research, it is essential for researchers to have a well defined plan in place. This plan typically involves several key steps that ensure the validity and reproducibility of the study. First, the researcher must clearly define the problem they are investigating. This step helps to establish the focus and the purpose of the research. Next, hypothesis is formulated, which is a proposed explanation or prediction based on existing knowledge. Third, the researcher then proceeds to collect and analyze data using various methods and tools to gather relevant information. Once the data has been collected, the hypothesis is put to test through experimentation or observation. The results of these tests will either confirm or reject the initial hypothesis. Finally, the researcher reports their findings, allowing others in the scientific community to review and replicate the study. By following this systematic process, researchers can ensure the reliability and credibility of their work. Another characteristic is verifiability. It is a crucial aspect of any research as it ensures that the results obtained can be trusted and replicated. By conducting studies in different ways and obtaining consistent results, researchers establish the reliability of their findings. This allows other experts to scrutinize the research and determine its accuracy. Verifiability is closely linked to objectivity and precision as it enables researchers to confirm or modify their results through further investigation or by repeating the study. Through this process, new knowledge is acquired and new questions arise. Achieving verifiability involves two main approaches, that is, analyzing data using different methods and conducting the study with different groups of people. Another characteristic is purpose. In addition to verifiability, having a clear purpose is essential in research. Without a purpose, the research lacks significance and direction. The purpose of a study influences the actions and decisions made by the researcher. It guides the selection of research methods, the collection and analysis of data, and the interpretation of the results. A well defined purpose ensures that the research is focused and meaningful, allowing for valuable insights and contributions to the field. Next important characteristic is ethical conduct. In research, ethical conduct is very crucial for maintaining trust and integrity in the scientific community. It involves following a set of rules and guidelines to ensure that research is conducted in a fair and morally acceptable manner. One important aspect of ethical conduct is obtaining informed consent from participants, which means that they are fully aware of the purpose and potential risk of the study before agreeing to participate in the study. This ensures that individuals have the autonomy to make an informed decision about whether or not to be involved. Another key element of ethical conduct is protecting the privacy and confidentiality of participants. Researchers must take measures to ensure that any personal information collected during the study should be kept confidential and only used for the intended purposes. This helps to build trust between researchers and the participants, as individuals can feel confident that their personal information will not be shared without their consent. Additionally, ethical conduct requires researchers to avoid causing harm or exploitation to the participants. This means taking steps to minimize any potential risk or negative consequences that may arise from the study. Researchers must carefully consider the potential benefits and harms of their research and take appropriate measures to mitigate any potential harm. Furthermore, ethical conduct in research also entails being honest and transparent in reporting findings. Researchers have a responsibility to accurately represent their data and conclusions and to avoid any bias or manipulation of the results. This ensures that the scientific community can rely on the validity and reliability of the research. Lastly, ethical conduct involves giving credit to others for their contributions. Researchers should acknowledge the work and ideas of others that have influenced their own research. This promotes fairness and recognition within the scientific community and prevents plagiarism or the misappropriation of ideas. In conclusion, we can say that ethical conduct in research is essential for maintaining trust and integrity in the researchers' community. It encompasses obtaining informed consent, protecting privacy and confidentiality, avoiding harm or exploitation, being honest and transparent in reporting findings, and giving credits to others. By adhering to these principles, researchers can ensure that their work is conducted in a fair and morally acceptable manner and contribute to the advancement of knowledge with integrity. Generalization is another important characteristic of a research. It is important concept in research because it allows us to apply findings from a smaller group to a larger population. When researchers conduct studies, they often focus on a specific group called the target population. This target population represents the larger population as a whole. By studying this smaller group, researchers can draw conclusions and make predictions about the entire population. If the findings from the sample can be applied to any part or sample of the whole population, the research is considered generalizable. This means that the results are not limited to just the individuals in the study but can be extended to a larger group of people. Generalization helps us to understand patterns and trends in human behavior and allows us to make informed decisions based on research findings. Another important aspect and characteristic of research is that it is a continuous process. It is a continuous cycle that begins with the research question and ends with new questions arising from the findings. It all starts with a clear goal in mind as researchers set out to explore a specific topic or problem. As they delve into their investigation, they gather data and analyze it to draw conclusions. However, this process often uncovers unexpected information or gaps in knowledge, leading to new questions that need to be addressed. This iterative nature of research ensures that knowledge keeps expanding and evolving over time. This is all about the meaning and characteristics of research. Thank you.